Good day everyone. My name is Don Rainiel Di Mercado, and from the class of B4B. And I'm here to present to you the quiz 5 for our subject E-Elect. And for our quiz 5, we are going to use the PLC or the Programmable Logic Control. And we'll be going to show you or make a system that turns on and off a cylinder. So for our diagram, we use a ladder diagram. As you can see, there's a PLC cards there and there's a input 0, input 1, and 3 relays connected to the output cards. And each component have corresponding input and output. And for our circuit, the red indicates that it is not yet energized. And when energized, the output 0 and output 1 will light up, and meaning it is ongoing and it is energized. To demonstrate, we push the start button and see that the cylinder move forward. And when we push the stop button, the cylinder retract. And let's do it one more time. So that is the demonstration. And that ends our discussion and demonstration for our activity on our quiz 5 in ELEC. Thank you for watching.